Marco, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to check WhatsApp notification history. Before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is go to WhatsApp, and then go to settings in the bottom right. Then you want to go to notifications, and you want to make sure that you have show notifications on messages and group notifications, and potentially if you want status notifications. And then once you do that, you want to click on here in-app notifications and choose it the way you want. You want to be as an alert, banner, or none. So choose banner or alert. Once you have done that, you want to go to settings, apps, or if you're on later iOS, just scroll down and see all the apps here. And basically you want to find WhatsApp here. And then you want to go to notifications, make sure that it's allowed, choose any of these that you want. I recommend you have all three, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.